Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, I want to greetings once again at the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie the First, and all things that's good. You know, see, welcome all viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make it help grow the channel. See? Yeah. Recently a virgin asked me what my opinion on black man, Klansman, Spanish Town, bad man thing. I'll be candid, you know, and give my opinion. You know, see. For more big up to you. See, want say big up fatted. Long time that you then are struggling and suffer. I don't know what fatted there now, but I hope say anyway fatted there. Big up yourself, fatted. Enough things I learn from you, enough things fatted teach me. Fatted a big money now still, no enough years the man they get in a GP. You know, see. Yeah man, fatted a youth where I respect. You know, see, fatted a teacher. You know, see, fatted have a decent spirit as much as him involved in a criminality. You know, see, youth like all them, they know. When I observe them youth, the youth like them, they are youth. And I have to do this because I know say, and a be a bad come out of we, you know. Enough of we are evil, but enough of we are just circumstance. You know, see it because you know, like you, like me, find myself in a GP and them man they there with them thing. You know, see, them man they never really have no animosity towards no youth, no new youth will come in and no new prisoner. The man they will just easy one side if you flip up and whatever and just watch you and laugh. You know, see, but anything with them man they can teach them when they teach them, no one that make you go wrong. You know, see. So big up yourself fatted, you know, so upset. You know? Yeah. Yes, Rasta, you don't know. Yeah, road. You know, see, that's that we say. You know, see. Big up yourself, Jabari. Barry from Warieka. You know, see, particularly a place that them call Harbour Road. You know, see, Barry a youth will grow good. Barry a stepper. You know, see, Barry a little virgin. Barry a youth where manners them and humble. You know, see, enough people, them youth they save. Enough people, them youth they save. You know, see, we don't condemn no one, we don't condemn youth and youth. You know, see, a grow soldier. From a soldier, we take talking and take guidance. We can't ask nothing more. You know, see it. And worse when the guidance will fall upon deaf ears. You know, see it. Most you can do is give thanks to life in you because at the greatest. You know, see it. Little bit of hope and no great, you know, attempt now make by nobody if you create no hopes. So just go and keep your head up and keep your life because you don't know any day, you know me you. Any day, you know see it, we give thanks and you don't know, you know see it. Road. See? Yeah. Black man. No disrespect to no prisoner and by the way in a prison still. You know see it, because we know them things they go. You know see it. But you see, what I want to tell the man who ask me what I have to say about them man there is that you see, both if I anything I want to know about them man there, Sir P I'm gonna listen to, you know. Yeah, Sir P give it in a such a clear picture where you don't even have to ask nobody nothing. You know see it. And even the man them when I talk about, you never hear the man come up and say no or woman or anybody from the community. You know, see, so anything I want to know, I saw people go listen to. And for that matter, for that reason, it's like anything when I go step on the subject, I go regurgitate what Sir P has said. Seen and For the obvious reason, I want people watch the repeat program and hear what I say because I couldn't say it better. I put it simple. What me got me no like suicide. Not that some people that rush me or anything like that because I feel particular subject. I don't mean that. I mean more like attempt something where already established being done in a what I would perceive to be you know, very good quality. You know, see, now I got to touch that. See, but what I say about them youth, my personal opinion is, all right, let me take it from this. You see, way back in the, let me see, what I say, probably early 90s, late 80s, early 90s, when Spanish Town start going with itself in terms of crime, certainly. Obviously, crime and criminal and bad man, they everywhere, all the while, you know, see, but during them time, you did have this argument, seeing because in the early 90s, I man got prison and buck up on some Spanish Town man. Seeing, I'm show you where I go with this. When we reach a prison, the Spanish one show just come out named Heat. Not long ago, a show come out with Al Pacino, them and them guy there, showing him Heat, star-studded film. See? The group of Spanish Town man, Klansman, who me got prison go see. Come out prison for rob a Western Union and hear what inspired them to do it. The show, them gladly admit it, them just don't watch the show and say, you know, so them can do everything where them see Al Pacino and them man they do. And them go do it. And everything where happen, not the show happen. Cause see where man are dead and man are run with money and it's a movie to them. And to them it's like a notch on them belt, like a good thing, a claim to fame type thing. You understand me? While most man from Kingston were there, yeah, I observe the whole thing and I laugh and I whatever, but at them I look panic like say, what kind of joke thing that? You can't take inspiration from a show thing. You see it? And the man them literally grounded and feel good about say, yeah, I just charge you, you don't even know, you know, like yeah, why? Yeah, see, and they always have this attitude to say we are bad, we are better man for no. It's like them a try prove to town man say them better than town man. Right across the country spear Rasta. From day that. Me I travel the country and me I hang out with youth and I observe youth and youth from certain places like them always have this penchant for try to prove to the town man say them better and wickeder than him. You know see it? Hence when Spanish town man start step up and crime and do them thing, you could have hear it like it a coming on the breeze. Town man no wicked like we. See that we are did this and we are do that and we are do them type of, you know see it while town man they I look on the whole thing and I say, how can I eat that thing them there? You know see it? Them man do the thing like say them sick in them head. You know see it? I man see Andre Blackman as one of them Blackman Bryan as one of them mad boy there. You see how the pastor clean and I go around the other day and him have a whole heap of madness in him and nobody don't know. And them, you have them type of people that exist elsewhere in a society too. You see it? And when me see Blackman and Tesha Miller and them type of guy there operate, me and myself just know say, in psycho them there, you know. People don't know what psycho mean. Serial killer. We don't know them type of people. Them sick people will just wake up and say, somebody feel dead today. Them type of people is not well in the head. Not because you see them clean and them have access to resources like money and funding and them type of thing there. It doesn't mean say as somebody them they want to feel harbor and welcome. Because you don't know when you know gonna be the easiest accessible victim Rasta. To be fair, this is not like a cartoon character I've stuck me attack from show. I mean I say this because I'd fit joke for people laugh. No, it's a serious thing. That's why I'm glad Kevin Smith do him do the other day, yeah. Not me glad him expose like that. Because it get for sure you say, It's not just pastor them, another pastor them alone mad and I run cult Rasta. You know, see it? You have some mad gangster out there to where run the cult. And the youth them a follow them blindly without no end in sight, no good result, no hope of a win. You know, see it? Yet them do it every day and just go dead. It's like them tired of life. Because no, and I like no other gunman next to them. I get a promotion or win them. I get like some millions of dollars and I change him life certain way. Only thing I change are probably him clothes and him girl. You know, see it till him coffin change. You know, see it, and it's no lie. This is not a joke. This is not. I wish it was a joke. I wish it was funny. I wish it was a comedy, Rasta. That's what could they and I make joke. And them I laugh if I laugh about them type of thing, yeah. Because they're not real. I just dream now when I talk about them. But for no say our very existence, Rasta. You know, see, this is it. And I like a joke thing, Rasta. You know, see it. And a true depravity and hunger. You know, see it. Why the youth them do that? I not gonna say starvation because they're far from that. See, whole heap of other resource there that we can create different environment, you know. You know, see it, like me always say, resource there can create distraction from them. Sadistic, sick, twisted, wanton psychopath there. We are say them a boss. You don't see it. We are just the same little ghetto youth them like themselves, where them grow it around the corner there, so where them go to school with. What kind of people do them type of thing in Jamaica? Youth and youth. What kind make you think about it. What kind of people do them thing there? You don't see it. You know, see it. So, when we observe man like Andre Blackman and them people there, we don't see it. We don't really see it fitting for calculate our, you know, assumption of how them guys they think, what them do, how much things them do. Because it's next to impossible. You don't see it. You don't see it. It's next to impossible for number the amount of destruction and loss of life for them people that cause. You know, see it. Through them youth that reign, more is like a little war, like a little sporadic war bust out. War going on in Israel against Israel and Palestine the other day. Yeah. So much people are dead. So much people are dead. And a regular them war. You see it. Yes, if you add up the whole of them together over the historic period, yes, it'll make more. But we're talking of the one sitting the other day where them a fire bam, bam, bam. So much people are dead at Israel then, make you say that then. So much people are dead at Israel like when they're at Spanish Town. You know, see it? A wicked, I eat that thing them there. Another a year town, a year place, this is not. Come on, man. And you tell me say a guy not sick and mad in his head. Well thinking people try to create opportunity, man. Well thinking people will find themselves in a influence in our community. Try to capitalize upon the vastness of them in the expanse. You know, see, look on it. What we can do with it? Who are gonna stop you from fix up back that old shop there? Who are gonna stop you from do that and do this? I mean, it's development and progress. Nobody now go against that. You know, see it. Enough of them guys, if them did never mad, and them way that them would have think, Rasta. You know, see it. What kind of man think for just have destruction and see people that suffer and that struggle the same people them around him? You know? You know? Them type of people, the Rasta, you can't swear for them. You know, see? And as much as we say we don't condemn ghetto youth, we don't condemn the youth them out there do them thing and them. Boy like them, Rasta, no. Boy like them, yeah. It like them better off whisper them there even if I lie. Everybody I tell upon him on road. It's like him better off him stay at prison. It better fit him. You know see it? Because him a lot safer in there. Because a whole heap of people out the road believe. Same do whole heap of them thing there. Whole heap of people with them family name a call in a court believe same do the for them thing there. So obviously if him come back out, him a go have a line of enemy where him wouldn't have a prison. So it's safer for him in there. You know see it? And if I him do all of them damage that the animal demand, to be fair, man, I wish so much people could have do you over time. So man a stepper. You pass through the place and you set the example one time, you know, need to do it 2, 3, 4, 5 times. You're bloodthirsty. You're bloodthirsty, man, and you're evil. You're devil. You know, see it? It's the people where people, it's, you know, no disrespect to nobody. No disrespect. You know, see it? But no Rasta. Yeah, no. You know, see, people like them there, we don't want to have them there in a society, man. People like them there, if you find, you see your name and go down a certain road like that, man, and you don't do nothing to change the narrative surrounding you. You embrace the whole thing because it make you more, you prosper from that, Yeah, evil, man. You know, see it, and your community need a break from you, need a big break. You know, see it, and every element like yourself who intend to replicate your mannerism and your behavior. You know, see it. Not no gossip. You know, see it. I don't get no example, no set so. You know, see it. Tell a whole heap of host that get a youth. Figure just got dead off. You know, see it. And that happen. You know, see it. Most of the youth, them, all of the youth, them, I listen to your trial, the youth, and me I tell you, say, you know, how you drop asleep at night time, Rasta. You know, see, because everybody have a conscience. You know, see, and they say have a sickness, a sick psychopathic sickness, where you enjoy and you get a thrill from them type of thing. So, it no matter to you. I mean, the memory could have, satisfy your soul more now, make you sleep at night time. You know, see it. But in a no way. You know, see it. No way. Your name supposed to mix up so deep, so much corruption. You know, see it. No way, Rasta. It's not acceptable. You know, see it. Fire burn that. And that me know about them guy, them general. Can't remember what name where they ask. You know, see it, and I just that me want to know about them. You know, see it. Anything else where you want to know, Rasta, I would advise if you go watch Sir P channel. You know, see it. Sir P over there doing work, and him doing work. You know, see it. So, yes, anything I want to know about them, Sir P channel, I go watch. And I give thanks. Share, like, and subscribe in a Rastafari name.